As designers and fashion houses continue to recognize the unique needs of mature plus-size women, there has been a noticeable surge in collaborations with women over 50 who have become influencers and role models within their communities. In the United States, older fashion influencers with fuller figures are increasingly using their platforms to challenge the mainstream narrative, showcasing how elegant party wear can be modest yet dazzling. These women are often seen wearing floor-length gowns adorned with delicate embroidery, subtle sequins, or lace overlays. With soft pastel tones and rich shades of burgundy, emerald, and navy, these dresses offer a versatile wardrobe for holiday parties, anniversary celebrations, and weddings. Many American designers are now working closely with their clients to offer adjustable waistlines, built-in shaping, and breathable linings that enhance both comfort and style. The rise of inclusive fashion shows and mature plus-size modeling agencies in cities like Los Angeles and Chicago is further evidence of an industry slowly but surely making space for beauty that does not conform to ageist or sizist expectations. In the United Kingdom, high street brands are beginning to reimagine evening wear collections by consulting directly with women over 50 who are seeking attire that blends conservative cuts with festive detailing. There is growing interest in middle-length dresses with bishop sleeves, velvet trims, and modest V-necklines layered with detachable scarves or shawls. These details add a touch of glamour without straying from the principles of modesty. British designers are also taking inspiration from the Edwardian and Victorian eras, introducing lace collars, brooch embellishments, and rich brocade fabrics in gold, bronze, and deep aubergine. These designs have resonated deeply with older women who want to dress up for special occasions while maintaining a sense of refinement and maturity. The popularity of garden parties and charity galas in the UK has also fueled demand for day-to-evening dresses that can transition from sunlight to starlight effortlessly. Older plus-size women are increasingly turning to brands that understand this delicate balance between style and sophistication, choosing dresses that allow them to participate in social life with dignity and joy. In India, the momentum for modest plus-size party dresses is being carried forward by a new generation of female-led fashion startups that are challenging the narrow definitions of glamour. These companies are reintroducing heritage garments like the lehenga, salwar kameez, and long-line kurtas with a modern twist, designed specifically for mature plus-size women. Fabrics are chosen for their softness and drape, allowing the dresses to move gently around the body. Embroideries are tastefully applied, often centered around the neckline or sleeve cuffs to draw attention upward. High necklines remain a staple, frequently accentuated with keyhole openings, mandarin collars, or embellished overlays that give a festive flair without revealing skin. For party settings such as sangeets, retirement celebrations, or family gatherings, these Indian ensembles offer a regal appearance that honors modesty. Many Indian women over 50 continue to prefer three-quarter sleeves or full sleeves, with designers responding by offering sheer netting or lightweight organza to provide coverage without heaviness. As a result, women of all sizes can now enjoy dressing in vibrant saris, flowing gowns, or Indo-Western hybrids that celebrate tradition while elevating personal style. In Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Singapore, modest fashion for plus-size women is not just a trend, it is a cultural mainstay. Older women attending Eid celebrations, weddings, or formal social events often wear traditional garments that have been updated with modern fabrics and silhouettes. For example, the baju kurung has been reimagined with metallic thread batik prints, pastel brocades, and embroidery that highlights the sleeve hems and neckline. These dresses are designed to be worn with matching headscarves or shawls, completing a look that is both respectful and celebratory. Designers in the region are increasingly using stretch-friendly fabrics that accommodate various body shapes while maintaining the clean lines that are typical of Southeast Asian formal wear. In Indonesia, the kebaya remains a popular choice for older women, often paired with long skirts and styled in soft, flattering colors like dusty rose, mint green, or steel blue. The layering and embroidery associated with kebayas add visual depth and elegance, especially when designed with subtle sequins or hand-dyed patterns. Across Southeast Asia, the growing visibility of older plus-size models in advertisements and social media has helped normalize and elevate modest fashion for all ages and sizes, encouraging women to embrace their cultural identities while expressing personal style. In East Asia, particularly in Japan and South Korea, where fashion is often associated with youth and minimalism, a quiet but powerful revolution is taking place. Older plus-size women in these regions are beginning to claim visibility and style authority by embracing modest party dresses that speak to their values and personalities. In Japan, Mature fashionistas often favor dresses with clean silhouettes and elegant draping. Popular materials include silk blends, linen, and satin crepe, and the color palette tends to lean toward neutrals, taupe, ivory, soft gray, interspersed with seasonal hues like plum or emerald. High necklines, mandarin collars, and belted waists are common features, often paired with capes or long vests that add structure and visual interest. These ensembles, though modest in nature, are high in detail and craftsmanship. In South Korea, there is growing appreciation for soft tailoring and layering. Party dresses for mature plus-size women often feature empire waists, subtle pleats, and sheer overlays that create a romantic silhouette without revealing the body. While many of these dresses are available in mainstream boutiques, an increasing number of women are turning to custom ateliers and online platforms that allow them to tailor-fit their dream outfit. Whether for a family gathering, a work event, or a cultural celebration, East Asian women over 50 are proving that style can be sophisticated, understated, and deeply elegant, even in a fashion market that often prioritizes youth. In Africa, the evolution of modest plus-size party wear is deeply intertwined with storytelling, heritage, and artistry. Designers are using locally sourced fabrics such as hand-dyed cotton, kente, and lace to construct gowns that reflect both cultural pride and contemporary elegance. In West Africa, for instance, party dresses for older plus-size women frequently feature fitted bodices, flared skirts, and elaborate sleeve designs, ranging from flutter sleeves to bell sleeves adorned with lace trim. These dresses often include high-neck collars with embroidered detailing, adding regal flair. Peplum styles remain particularly popular, as they define the waist while allowing movement and grace. In East Africa, where Swahili-inspired fashion reigns, modesty and drama are combined in full-length gowns made from bright kanga and kikoe prints, often accompanied by head wraps or shawls for full coordination. In Southern Africa, particularly South Africa and Zimbabwe, older women are turning to designers who specialize in elegant evening gowns with African accents. Beaded neckline embellishments, structured puff sleeves, and asymmetrical capes are just a few features that define this new wave of fashion. In every corner of the continent, one can see that African fashion is not only alive and well, it is flourishing in its celebration of full-figured women over 50, offering them the respect and recognition they deserve through garments that feel as meaningful as they are beautiful. As this global fashion evolution continues to gain momentum, one of the most encouraging aspects is the way in which community-driven initiatives are emerging. Across all 5 regions, the United States, the United Kingdom, India, Asia, and Africa, women are gathering to form online groups, workshops, and community events where they can share style advice, recommend designers, and even collaborate on capsule collections. These spaces allow older plus-size women to step into the spotlight, not as niche consumers, but as key players in the fashion dialogue. Some have become entrepreneurs, launching their own fashion labels that prioritize both modesty and inclusivity. Others have become content creators, documenting their style journeys and inspiring women of all backgrounds to dress with joy and confidence. The power of these grassroots efforts cannot be overstated. They are changing the narrative from within, ensuring that modest and elegant fashion is accessible, visible, and celebrated at every stage of life.